Today I'm going to show you the Craftsman hook pick set I purchased. I had it for a little while now. It comes in 4 hook pick sets and 1 handle with a magnet on it on the self-sealing pouch. It comes with a straight pick, a 45-degree angle pick, a 90-degree angle pick, and a 135-degree angle pick. And it also has a handle with ridges for grip with a built-in magnet. It feels like it's made of aluminum. The pick and hook set feels like it's chrome plated steel. It has threads to screw into the handle. Also has some ribs right here for grip to screw in, and probably you can use it also if you want to use it without the handle. You can use it as a pick if you're dealing with smaller areas. The magnet's pretty strong, so if you keep it clean and keep it from rusting, it should look this good for a very long time.